So tonight we're going to make Savannah-style cornbread. And for this, you're going to need some unsalted butter, flour, some Crisco, cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, buttermilk, full fat, 6 ounces of raspberry, a quarter cup of honey, and 2 large eggs. Okay, so I have greased my pan with Crisco and I've heated it up. And the top of this oven is very warm, so I'm going to leave it there. And I'm going to whisk together, I've already whisked together my flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking soda, and baking powder, and my salt. So now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to the bowl. All right. I'm going to make a well. I'm going to add my buttermilk. And my eggs. And my honey. I want to mix this all together. Don't want to over stir it, but I want to get it all mixed together. Okay. I'm going to add my butter. And the recipe for this will be posted along with the video. So you can make your own. Just trust me, this is a very, very tasty recipe. My aunt in Mobile gave me this recipe, and she got it from her mother, who grew up in Savannah, who got it from her mother, who got it from her mother. So it's been around for a while. Okay, so the butter is pretty well mixed in. So now I'm going to take my raspberries, 6 ounces, pour them in, and I gently fold them in. So when you fold, you pick up and mix under. You don't stir. You just pick up, and mix under. You don't want to do too much. Just enough to get your raspberries mixed in. Okay? Now, I'm going to take my mixture and pour it into this hot pan. And I'm going to bake it for 20 to 24 minutes in a 400-degree oven. And that will cook it. Then we can eat it. So you set your oven temperature to 400 degrees. Use a cast iron skillet or a 9-inch square pan, and you preheat it. Because that way, once you breathe with the Crisco, you preheat it, and that way your pan is hot and gives a nice crust. You might hear a sizzle when you pour. But remember that pan is hot, so be careful. And then we're going to bake it, and then we'll have some great cornbread.